Your pulse-pounding ride begins now. Stunning massive moves, powerful gear driven to extremes. Feel the excitement of intense transport and skilled control. Don't miss a beat. The launch of the HTSC-BO Iguazu was truly a stunning sight to witness. It left everyone breathless with how smoothly and beautifully it unfolded. Constructed in ITA, at the well-known Oceanana shipyard, this masterpiece touched the water with exact precision. The vessel moved as if guided by invisible hands, steady and graceful. There was a powerful sense of energy and anticipation in the air. Every small detail reflected the passion and commitment behind this proud achievement. It's difficult to fully grasp the enormous size of the parts that Mamoid carefully managed for Sandvik. These huge components demanded incredible accuracy and strong teamwork to be moved with safety and success. The operation needed precise planning and flawless coordination to avoid any mistakes. The overall scale of this entire effort was truly astonishing to see in action. The talent and experience shown by the workers was something only true experts could deliver. Hats off to their incredible team for completing such a perfect and well-executed job. Belarus builders truly stand by their word when they claim that more mud simply makes things better. Just take a look at how the MTZ-892 tractor, along with its custom-made trailer, charges through the muddy forest terrain like it's facing no challenge at all. It's like business as usual in these extreme off-road conditions. The way it handles the slush and soil shows serious toughness. A powerful display of resilience and engineering strength. When the task involves transporting enormous loads, every single second becomes crucial. That's the reason Julian decided to rely on Rolls wide combi axle configurations for this job. With a pair of 160-ton crusher units being hauled, this advanced system delivered the ideal balance of raw strength and streamlined engineering. The compact design wasn't just about saving space, it boosted handling and maneuverability. Even more importantly, their ability to avoid time-bound limitations truly changed the game. It allowed them to move without waiting, skipping potential delays. This edge meant the entire operation could be completed in record time. A seriously impressive feat of coordination and machinery. Guys, one thing's for sure, with heavy machinery, surprises can happen at any moment. That case backhoe ended up tipping over unexpectedly. It's a reminder of how fast things can shift on the job. Thankfully, everyone came out of it unharmed. Safety truly makes all the difference in situations like this. Utilizing Hulk, a 50-ton rotator, alongside Big Flipper, a 75-ton rotator, the team demonstrated exceptional skill. They navigated the challenging recovery process with ease, handling every obstacle flawlessly. The strategic deployment of this heavy equipment minimized road closures. This not only kept disruptions low, but also ensured public safety and operational efficiency. A carefully executed plan made sure the job was done right the first time. Truly a remarkable feat of teamwork and machinery. Bro, you truly know what they're doing. When they transported the Tiger Cat 6900 grinder from Fernley to Sacramento, California, they relied on a Code 9 axle trailer. And trust me, it's the real deal, an impressive piece of equipment for a serious job. Watch closely as they expertly maneuver this massive machine with absolute precision. The way they handle such a big load really makes it look like a walk in the park. These professionals make the entire process seem effortless, but it's all skill and experience at work. Take a look at the EK-140 rock cutter in full action. Designed with performance in mind, it cuts through even the hardest rock formations with ease. This powerful machine is absolutely critical for any project that requires both precision and reliability in execution. Whether it's tough terrain or challenging conditions, the EK140 gets the job done right. It's a must-have for any project where quality and precision can't be compromised. Hold on to your hats, everyone, because you're about to witness a masterclass. This is the perfect example of moving oversized loads with style and precision. P. Schwanner's team makes it seem effortless as they transport the massive Vestas turbine shells. They're heading for the Glazer wind farm, using the powerful Goldhoer PST-12SL. Starting at the transfer station in Ver, they're smoothly navigating every step of the journey. The whole operation is smooth, slick, and seriously impressive in every possible way. Keep an eye on the wheel as it rolls in. It's positioned sideways, which is unusual. It seems like the wheel may have unscrewed, or perhaps the rim is damaged. After the explosion, the situation gets even stranger, with the rim rolling along too. This unexpected movement is a clear sign of just how much damage was done. Santa riding the rails, now that's real holiday magic in motion. The festive Blue Bell railway train chugs along, bringing cheer to every corner. Even with those muddy, slippery grounds, the crew keeps things running smoothly. Watch as they steer through horse-stead canes, no hesitation, no delays. They turn the soggy conditions into a showcase of expert handling and pure joy. It's a perfect blend of big machines, skilled teamwork, and heartwarming holiday spirit. Crew haulage accomplishes an incredible achievement hauling that massive tank. Standing at 7.5 meters tall and 7 meters wide, the size alone is jaw-dropping. The sheer scale of the gear involved will leave you speechless, yet they move it with ease. Handling a load that massive takes nothing less than expert-level precision. Every inch of movement demands focus, coordination, and nerves of steel. Major respect to the team, what they pulled off here was nothing short of masterful. The sloped boat lift on the Elblig Canal stands out as one of the most remarkable engineering marvels of the 19th century. Rather than relying on engines or electricity, this lift cleverly uses only the power of water to function. Boats are gently carried uphill over a 100-meter incline using rail tracks and sturdy sledges. This mechanism replaces the need for multiple traditional locks, saving time and showcasing ingenuity. It's a perfect example of how intelligent design can overcome natural challenges in elegant ways. Without a doubt, this remains a treasured piece of historical engineering brilliance. Hit us with a 1 in the comments if this video absolutely blew your mind. We love seeing your reactions, it's what keeps us going and pushing boundaries. Every like, comment, and share helps us bring even more jaw-dropping content your way. Your support isn't just appreciated, it's the creative fuel that powers everything we do. When it comes to reliable and efficient log transportation, the Elphinstone Log Jinker truly changes the game. Its smart, foldable design makes storage and maneuvering far more convenient than traditional setups. With adjustable bunks that firmly lock logs in place, safety and security are never compromised. This isn't just a transport tool, it's a refined solution for real-world logging demands. A perfect fit for professionals who need strength, adaptability, and space-saving efficiency on every haul. Get ready for a one-of-a-kind adventure. Just hop aboard a narco speeder and experience the thrill firsthand. These compact yet powerful machines provide a smooth and steady ride, perfect for railway exploration. Their precise handling makes every journey feel both controlled and exciting, no matter the track. As you glide along the scenic Everett Railroad, every twist and turn offers something new to take in. Searching for smarter ways to cut down on fuel costs while operating your Volvo truck? The tandem axle lift system offers just the right solution to boost your efficiency. When the truck isn't carrying a load, this feature raises the second-driven axle off the ground. That means better road traction, reduced rolling resistance, and improved handling overall. Most importantly, it can cut fuel consumption by as much as 4%, helping your bottom line. A small adjustment that makes a big difference in both performance and savings. Scotland's rugged terrain doesn't make things easy. But with the TX and Volvo dump trucks in action, heavy haulage becomes smooth and steady. These machines are built for tough routes, and it really shows. The crew handles sharp turns and narrow paths with skill and ease. It's a true showcase of their experience and the power of specialized transport gear. Moves like this aren't just impressive, they demand serious coordination. Transporting oversized loads? This is how the pros get it done. Making the shift to cutting-edge tech like the AMEB door-side tipper road train is a smart and strategic move from Boral Logistics. This innovation not only improves safety during quarry product transport, but also boosts overall hauling efficiency out on the road. It's built to reduce risk, save time, and increase reliability with every trip. More than just a new machine, it's a smart investment in future growth. Truly, a strong leap forward for the entire industry. A new challenge arose, and Megalift Malaysia didn't hesitate to step up to the task. Hauling a massive 82-ton pressure vessel across more than 70 kilometers is no small feat, but they pulled it off with precision and expertise. Every move required perfect coordination and flawless handling from the crew. This operation was a prime example of the skill and knowledge that Megalift brings to the table. It's not just about moving equipment, it's about doing it right, with confidence and control. A true testament to the capabilities of heavy equipment in skilled hands. Wow, talk about pushing the limits. Mammoet took on the monumental task of moving a massive 7,100-ton wet concentrator plant, the heaviest piece of mining equipment ever to be shifted in Africa. This operation was no small feat. It required 290 axle lines of SBMTs to get it done. The precision and expertise involved were key, ensuring everything went smoothly. Their flawless coordination combined cutting-edge technology with safety, making this an incredible showcase of what's possible with modern engineering. Truly impressive. It must be a real challenge to make turns with that semi, especially with those two trailers. The Freightliner bottom dump double semi has a vintage feel, reminiscent of the golden era of trucking. Watching these rare cabovas cruising through Elko feels like spotting a mythical unicorn in the wild. There's something incredibly cool about seeing these classic rigs in action. Imagine what it would be like to drive one of those beasts, navigating the streets with all that power and history behind the wheel. Truly, it would be an experience unlike any other. Track IMX is undeniably a game-changer in the heavy transport industry. From their impressive extendable platforms, stretching an incredible 37 meters long, To their innovative modular semis capable of handling up to 400 tons, they redefine what's possible in transport. These machines make even the most seemingly impossible trucking tasks look effortless. With a strategically located base in Casablanca, Track IMX has cemented itself as the go-to partner for heavy transportation needs. Their expertise and cutting-edge equipment ensure that the toughest jobs are completed with ease. Mastering the art of truck handling turns the impossible into routine. Track IMX, with its strategic headquarters in Casablanca, continues to lead the way as the top-tier partner for complex heavy transport projects. Ever wondered how a massive 40-ton fishing vessel makes it from one port to another? It's definitely not a simple task of just driving it over. Serious, specialized machinery comes into play, especially lowboy trailers for unmatched stability. Hydraulic lifts are crucial for safely loading and unloading the boat with precision. The journey is meticulously planned, factoring in the boat's immense size and weight. Proper permits and ideal road conditions are essential for success. Every single step of the operation demands accuracy, ensuring the entire move is both smooth and safe. Picture the raw force at play. Tons upon tons of steel forged into precision-engineered machines. Each unit equipped with world-class lifting technology, built for extreme tasks. At the heart of it all was a self-propelled powerhouse boasting 1,300 horsepower. A true mechanical titan built to move mountains. This entire setup came together for one epic mission, expanding the Sanj power plant in Slovenia. Watching it unfold was nothing short of witnessing a mechanical symphony in perfect harmony. Take a look at this beast in action. The 55-ton Globe Trailer's lowboy with a hydraulic flip axle is a heavy-hauling legend. When it comes to moving serious loads, this setup doesn't just perform, it dominates. You can see Mardel grading putting it through its paces right out in the field. It's smooth, incredibly efficient, and handles the pressure like a pro. Watching this machine work is like witnessing precision engineering at its finest. A perfect blend of raw power and smart design. Couldn't ask for a better day to tackle a heavy haul. Perfect weather and a determined crew set the stage. The steep climb didn't even make them flinch. With flawless push-pull coordination and massive horsepower, they handled the load like it was just another run. That's the difference experience makes. Pros who know how to read the terrain and own it. Those tough inclines don't intimidate them. They meet them head-on with confidence and control.